Hi, welcome to the Data Tech. And today I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent for LinkedIn post. Okay, so I'm just going to include automation as well as schedule as well as AI with no code. This is completely going to be without any code. I'm going to do this automation and just I'll tell you the purpose because in many of my video I used to say just you look around the problems, whatever you see as a problems in your day-to-day life, and for that if you make a fix and you make that as a product, you can really sell it real good because that all the real problems that what people are expecting and solution, right? So one such thing is I noticed is I just need to maintain that impression in LinkedIn because I have around 60K followers in LinkedIn where I have to make an impression, so I have to post something very valuable. It's not just like that I post some blah blah stuff. It should not be like that. I have to post something real good, and there are a lot of LinkedIn content creators are making posts with the help of ChatGPT and Gemini, and then they are just making good real post. But again, the problem here is now I have content, okay, and I do have a LinkedIn account with great amount of people following me, but the problem is I have to post it. There is an option in LinkedIn that gives you a schedule option, whereas maybe in the weekend you said you prepare some content for the whole week and you can put, but still I'm doing it manually on just pasting the content at least to the LinkedIn, and then I have to post. So I just thought of, okay, let me make it as an automated stuff. I'm not going to give the input. I'll just gonna say the topic. Okay, and with that topic, the AI should create the content, and then it should be posted as in the LinkedIn. Okay, so now I have AI which creates the content. Now I have a LinkedIn page where the content should be get posted. But who will do this? I'm not gonna do this. Then I should go for some automation tool, right? So today I'm gonna show you the end-to-end process of how to build one such automation tool. And before we get into it, so I do a lot of Gen AI and big data engineering, Python, SQL related videos. You can find those links in the description box of this video. And I do write a lot of books in Gen AI, data engineering, and resumes. And those books links also you can find in the description box of this video. It just cost only 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees. It's completely less than half a dollar, right? Fine. So let's get into it. So I'll just show you the tool in which I'm gonna do this. This is called Zapier. So you have free trial, so you can use it. Most of the companies have already started buying this as a licensed product, and so they are expecting the employees should work with it. So at least in that perspective, we should learn how we are learning AWS, Google Cloud by creating a free account or just paying some money because our companies are using it, right? So something like that you have to practice in such tools. So Zapier is one such automation tools. Also, we can connect with we can create an agents, like you go and send an email, you just go and send a Slack message, Teams, create a Zoom meeting, book a hotel, something like that. So you can do, they integrated with so many apps. So one such thing I'm going to do today is LinkedIn post automation, and I'm going to use the AI GPT model which is by OpenAI. So this is the website. If you just log in platform.openai.com, where you have to buy the API key. So this is my key which I cannot show you, which is like highly which I cannot show you this key, which should be highly secured. Even you should not. So what I did is, like 2 months back, I just recharged. Okay, you have to add credits to it, so I just added credits to this. Let me show you my billing. Okay, so I just added $10 credits, which is like in INR, like it comes around 900 rupees. So it's been 2 months, guys. I just used it, and still I have $7, $8 nearly in my balance. Daily one LinkedIn post. Okay, and then I built a lot of products in between. I used it for testing, even though, right, I see just $7, $8 still in my account. And then you can see all my product which I've built with Gen AI in my description box of this video from my playlist. Fine. So you have to do this because Zapier is something free. Even the trial version ends, you can still run workflows like with a limited phase. But for at least for the LinkedIn post, daily one post, it's of course you can do it with Zapier. You don't want to pay for it, but then if you are using AI, then you need this thing. Like you have to pay for the model, right? Fine. Or you can find any open source model also fine. You can go for it, but paid models like Gemini or OpenAI, it's always be very precise. Fine. So let me show you some of the sample which I have did already, and also I'll show you by executing the code as well. I mean, it's not the code, the workflow. Okay. So let me just show you. Okay. So if you see, this post is completely written by the complete automation, the workflow which I built. Okay, so Zapier is a tool where we create workflows, and like as I told you, so that Zapier integration with OpenAI, LinkedIn, I've done all these things. Daily one post it does. Fine, let me show you in live. So now we are going to create a Zap. You can see I already have one Zap called LinkedIn post, and here you can see task. 22 tasks I executed so far, you have 100. So 22 is completely fine, and every month this will be get refreshed, is what Zapier documentation says. So now I'll just create, and when you click create, there is Zap, and let me show you my existing workflow. It's very simple, guys, and that's all. Only 3 steps, that's it, complete. So scheduler, ChatGPT, which is your model, and then LinkedIn, that's it. So here comes our workflow. So first thing, you have to trigger it. Trigger is all about schedule. You can see built-in tools, and they have their own products, and they have so many tools. You can see all these tools you can create, and you can create an agent, right? So they have like all these categorized here. So first thing, let me go to schedule, and in the schedule, let me choose the event as every day once, okay, and then click continue. And in the next, configure. So time of day, it's like I'll just randomly say some okay, let me go for the precise time for the LinkedIn post. It's always evening will have the high traffic, and it will be good by the time if you just produce your content. Okay, weekends, yes, I want this to be get executed in weekend. And finally, you just have to trigger this test trigger, and that means this particular schedule is successful, and we haven't published it yet. And the next action, okay, next action we are coming for. Next action, I'll choose GPT, or you can search for OpenAI, you will get this. Choose GPT here, and in the GPT, like you have to create an event. So this event is like, you can say like send prompt. Okay, I'm going to give a prompt, because prompt is something that you have to create. I have to do a 101 SQL challenge, daily one challenge I have to post, like that 101 days I have to do. So I have to give a prompt. I'll show you the prompt also. I've created a prompt. Okay, send prompt is what I need. Send the prompt to where? Like I send a prompt to GPT, and GPT will create the response, and that response I'll pass it to my next event, LinkedIn. Okay, account. So I have to log into my OpenAI account. I already did it, but if it is a new account, then just connect a new account. So here, what you have to do is, here you have to give your API key, which I showed you here, you generated, right? I said you should not show that to anyone, right? So this key you have to give, and if you give that, automatically it will be get logged into. So it will be get logged into your OpenAI account. So now I'll just give cancel. So let me just choose the one which I already have. Fine. So now the next thing is like you have to choose the, you have to give the model, and you have to choose the model, and you have to give the prompt. Okay, so I'm choosing GPT 3.5 here. If you click right, so you can see some other models as well in the GPT. You can use it, and the prompt. Okay, let me just bring the prompt from this particular my existing one. So in the configure, so this is the prompt. You can see here, you are an expert SQL interview question writer. So these are all some of the topics I'm giving, and then I'm asking daily one topic, and every time you shuffle this, randomly select one topic each day, generate hard level SQL interview question, something like that. I'm just giving all the information whichever I need. So this prompt, an end-to-end step, and how to project this in your resume as a fresher for a project, or how to explain this in an interview, or if you are planning to build this as a SaaS product, how to do that with the revenue model. I have created a end-to-end document, and this prompt is also as part of the document, and document link is, you can find that in the description box of this video, but I'm charging 3 rupees INR to download the document. Okay, so you can just explore that. Fine, only if you are interested you can buy that. Fine. So now let's go back, let's copy this prompt. Okay, go back to our Zapier one. So okay, here I will paste it, and make sure you choose the temperature, and then like this thing. Yeah, we have done everything. Yes, so now let's give continue. It goes to test. Okay, so here you have to test it. Okay, let me just test the step, and then it will ask for publish. Okay, after the testing is completed, but we should not publish, because we have to add a one more setup step for LinkedIn. Just click this plus icon and search for LinkedIn. You will get it. Yes, in LinkedIn. So now in the LinkedIn, the action event is, you have to choose something called create share update, the second option. Okay, choose this. This will post in your LinkedIn, and you have to connect with your LinkedIn. Okay, so it's already been connected. So what I'll do, I'll just click change, and then create new content. You can see it takes you to the LinkedIn sign in page. So you have to sign in with your LinkedIn, so that it will be get connected. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just leave it as is. I connected to my account. Next, so here in the comment area is where you have to, your post will be get generated. Okay, so you have to click this plus icon, and it is showing you an option, send the prompt in GPT. That means from the previous step, just click that. So here you have to choose the response. Okay, you can see this is the response for the prompt that you have given in the previous step. So let me choose response here. Okay, so you can see response, and then like you don't want to choose anything else, just give continue. Okay, so here you can see this is the response that you got, right? This is what going to be get posted in your LinkedIn. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you see, let me just go back to my LinkedIn post page. Okay, so let me just go back here. And my last post was 1 hour back, PySpark challenge day 20. Okay, fine. So now after I run this test step, it will post a content in my LinkedIn. You can see here. I'll just click this test step. So it starts with, okay, see it posted. So I got the LinkedIn URL also. So you can just log into this URL. It will take you to your LinkedIn page only, and you can see. Yeah, so see now only, see you can see the now here, and the content has been posted. Now at the same time, I will refresh this page. So PySpark was my recent post. Let me just refresh it. So you can see that SQL challenge post will be here. See, you can see here. So it just, so before I showed you, it was PySpark challenge day 20 was the reason, but now the SQL challenge. So let me delete this. So I'm just showing this for the testing. So let me delete this post for now. Yeah, so that's all guys. So it's very easy. It's completely no code, and almost like it's been like we completed this within like 12 minutes, right? So you can also try this. And one thing what I wanted to tell you is, try this and then make a LinkedIn post and tag me, so that I will repost your work, what you did. So you have to mention that you referred my video with some screenshot or something like that. So I do have 60K followers. So people, you will get a lot of impression to your post. And also, like, if possible, you can make a video of 30 seconds by explaining what you did with the feedback of my video to my Instagram. So I'll be posting that to my story, so where you will get a reach again, right? So it's like a win-win, right? So thanks guys, and I do have a lot of such videos in my channel. Please go and have a look. And once again, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel and follow me Instagram. Thanks for watching.